Hello everyone, Balgit here, and today we'll be watching some of the world's funniest animal videos. Dogs can taste food from a mile away. This dog gets leg checked. Ouch. Even dogs hate the refs. Chinese cat.
Yo!
Oh my god! Oh, Mom!
I need one of these.
Oh!
Barking bird. In the trenches.
Jerry.
The ultimate bath.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
No toilet paper needed.
But
A fox dog. Your cooking sucks. Shadow slap.
okay.
Do I hear food? The Ultimate Warriors. Artistic cat. This cat is obese. Spider cat. This cat got issues. Snow doggies.
Muffins, what did you do? Did you not look after them properly?
Let's go for a walk.
Oh my goodness, look at you, cutie patootie! So cute, look at your face! Oh my goodness, kisses, kisses, kisses!
Now this is a sled dog. Doggy rhythm. A man's best friend.
Sometimes you just need a hug.
Taste test? Let's go on an adventure.
We are in Road Animal Hospital.
Give me some Coke. most precious present.
Or maybe a t-shirt or dress shirt.
It's definitely something. I think it's like.
Oh. Maybe jelly beans?
It's cold out here, damn it.
You're not coming in.
Gonna boil some tea. The next Corky Phelps. This dog has talent. Disco dog. I need a head massage. Perfect patience. This dog is a bully. A small dog army. These dogs are the perfect sirens. I do love some fried chicken. This milk must have NyQuil. There is treasure under the bed. Give these dogs some ice. This dog found a new toy. Poop dog. A talking dog?
I love you. Can you say I love you? Can you do it? I love you. Come here. Say hello. Come here, say I love you.
This dog just wants a fruit. This dog is hitting leg day. Road dogs. This dude forgot his dog.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind.
This dog wants some nuggets. This puppy wants to play. These dogs are such crybabies.
What are you excited about?
This dog woke up from the greatest nap of their life. This dog is ready to catch some Z's. This dog swallowed a treat whole. Is this a new breed of pig dog?
Él es rebelde.
¿Ella es rebelde?
Ella es rebelde. Yo no la veo problemática, la veo rebelde.
Oye,
Contestona.
This cat is tired of his food. This baby goat loves eating ears. This is the best dog bodyguard.
warming up your whiskers, Sam?
This is the wrong type of crate training.
Crate. You have the whole bed. Oh, okay.
This dog is ready for an ice cream. The most guilty dog has appeared.
What is this? Riblet?
This behavior needs to be corrected. The most unathletic cat. How did this even happen?
Hey, buddy. You okay in there?
The most hungriest puppy. Someone help this dog get their food back. Anyways guys, those are some of the world's funniest animal videos. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, please be mindful of your pets. Thank you for watching.